Hello. Snow is on the way for some of us early Friday, but I think that for many it's that awkward mixture of cold rain, sleet and temporary falling snow. The main risk of lying snow and disruption from snow accumulations will be over hills. At the moment, it's rain that's the main issue across England and Wales during the rest of Thursday. That rain then moves into the North Sea and it pivots around and it will push into Scotland overnight. As it does so, it bumps into much colder air and that leads to that risk of snow. But really the main risk of snow is going to be over the higher parts of Scotland, the far north of England as well. And you can see why when you put on the temperatures at 1 a.m. Temperatures low single figures, I think, at lower levels across most of the country, around 0 for lower parts of Scotland. And that just shows how marginal the risk of snow is in the north, because a degree or so either way will make a big difference. At higher parts, over higher parts of Scotland, northern England, Northern Ireland, well, temperatures well below freezing, and so the risk not so marginal over those northern hills. But outbreaks of rain will push into eastern parts of Scotland and northeast England during the early hours of Friday, bumping into that cold air, turning to snow. Chance that inland at lower elevations will see some temporary falling snow, but really the snow will build up over the higher ground, above 100 or 150 metres across northern parts of England and Scotland, and so disruption likely over the higher routes of Scotland as well as the far north of England early Friday. Snow warning in force, and for Northern Ireland, Western Scotland, here with the cold air in place, and we're more likely to see rain showers moving through. There's the risk of icy patches as we start off Friday. A strong wind as well, making it feel very cold. But here's a map that shows the elevation across the north of the UK during Friday morning, just to indicate where those main risk areas are. Blue colours show land that's above 150 metres. That's where we can expect 2 to 5 centimetres at first, before it turns to rain later. And the white areas show land that's above 400 metres. That's where the most significant settling snow will be, 15 to 20 centimetres. At lower levels, brief falling snow before it turns to rain, mainly inland. Further south across much of England and Wales, it's showers rather than persistent rain, and the showers falling as snow over the Welsh Mountains as well as southwest England. And this area of rain here may temporarily fall as snow across parts of eastern England during Friday morning. Don't be surprised if you see some snow out of this system, but it's unlikely to settle, it's unlikely to cause widespread disruption. Eventually a sunnier day to come across southern parts of the country on Friday, whilst it's mainly rain across Scotland, northern England and Northern Ireland as it turns a little milder later in the day. Stay up to date with the forecast and the warnings, and we'll keep you updated on social media.